let's talk about corn. Yes, corn. That golden, sunny vegetable that seems to be everywhere, from our summer barbecues to our favorite movie theaters. You might be wondering, is eating corn actually good for my health? Well, grab a snack, because we're about to dive deep into the world of corn, and trust me, it's more interesting than you might think. First off, let's get one thing straight. Corn is not just a side dish. It's a versatile food that can be grilled, boiled, popped, or even turned into tortillas. It's a staple in many cultures and has been for centuries. But what's the real deal when it comes to its health benefits? Corn is often labeled as a starchy vegetable, which can make some people raise an eyebrow. Starchy? Isn't that just another word for bad? Well, not necessarily. Starch is a type of carbohydrate, and our bodies need carbohydrates for energy. Think of corn as a source of fuel, especially if you're active. A cup of corn contains about 30 grams of carbohydrates, providing a quick energy boost. Perfect for those days when you need a little pick-me-up. Now, let's talk fiber. We've all heard about the importance of fiber in our diets, right? Corn is a great source of dietary fiber, which is vital for digestive health. A cup of corn can give you around 3–4 grams of fiber. That's not just good for keeping things moving along in your gut. Fiber can also help regulate blood sugar levels and keep you feeling full longer. So if you're trying to manage your weight, corn can be a satisfying addition to your meals. It's like nature's way of saying, "Hey, I got your back." But here's where it gets really interesting. Corn is packed with nutrients. It's rich in vitamins and minerals, particularly B vitamins like thiamine and folate. These vitamins play crucial roles in energy production and supporting brain health. Folate, in particular, is essential for pregnant women, as it helps prevent neural tube defects in developing babies. So, if you're expecting or planning to start a family, consider adding corn to your plate. And let's not forget about antioxidants. Corn contains a variety of antioxidants, including lutein and zeaxanthin, which are known for their eye health benefits. These compounds can help protect your eyes from harmful blue light and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. So, if you want to keep your vision sharp as you age, corn might just be your new best friend. Now, I know what you might be thinking, but what about all that corn syrup and processed corn products? Ah, yes, the dark side of corn. It's true that corn has been heavily processed in our modern food system, leading to high fructose corn syrup and other unhealthy additives. But let's not throw the baby out with the bathwater. The key here is to focus on whole corn, whether it's fresh, frozen, or canned, without added sugars or preservatives. When you eat corn in its natural form, you're getting all those health benefits without the unnecessary junk. And here's a fun fact: corn is gluten-free. So for those of you with gluten sensitivities or celiac disease, corn is a safe and delicious option. You can enjoy corn tortillas, corn chips, or even polenta without worrying about gluten. It's a great way to diversify your diet and add some color to your meals. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: GMO corn. Genetically modified organisms have been a hot topic for years, especially when it comes to corn. While some people are concerned about the health effects of GMO foods, research shows that GMO corn is safe to eat. The key is to stay informed and choose organic options if that aligns with your values. Remember, it's all about balance and making choices that feel right for you. But wait, there's more. Corn is also a fantastic source of plant-based protein. While it might not be a complete protein like meat or dairy, it still contains about 5 grams of protein per cup. For those of you exploring plant-based diets or looking to reduce meat consumption, corn can be a valuable addition to your meals. Pair it with beans or legumes, and you've got yourself a protein-packed dish. Now, let's talk about how to incorporate corn into your diet. It's easier than you might think. You can toss some fresh corn into salads, blend it into smoothies for a sweet twist, or add it to soups and stews for extra flavor. And who doesn't love a good corn salsa? Just mix diced tomatoes, onions, cilantro, and lime juice with corn, and you've got a delicious topping for tacos or a refreshing dip for chips. But remember, moderation is key. While corn has its health benefits, it's important not to overdo it. Balance it with other vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and lean proteins to ensure you're getting a well-rounded diet. Variety is the spice of life, after all. So, is eating corn actually good for your health? The answer is a resounding yes. When enjoyed in its whole form, corn can be a nutritious and delicious part of your diet. It's packed with fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a great choice for energy, digestion, and overall health. Next time you're at the grocery store or farmer's market, don't overlook that bright yellow vegetable. Embrace it, enjoy it, and add it to your meals. Whether you're grilling corn on the cob at a summer barbecue or tossing some frozen corn into your favorite chili, remember that you're not just indulging in a tasty treat, you're also nourishing your body. So dig in and enjoy the goodness of corn.